Hello YouTube, this is Scott Rides 1 and I'm here with my bike check. I just got a Fit Eddy 2 a couple months ago. I'm riding Thermite pedals, super light, super traction, definitely invest. I'm riding the two-tone orange and black chain, limited edition. I've got the Animal Crow seats, then Fit Light seat post, Colony orange seat clamp. I'm riding a Shadow Conspiracy strike top load, stem, Scavenger Swift bars, Colt OS grips. I'm riding Animal bar ends, and basically this is my new channel. Subscribe. I haven't been out long because I just created my channel tonight, just giving some background stuff. Oh yeah, one thing I forgot. I bought a new sprocket, same size, super light. Don't know how to. Tried to put it on. My cranks were so tight that it snapped the Allen wrench I needed. So now I don't have an Allen wrench to put it on. Any suggestions on how to make that looser so I can put my sprocket on? Would it be best just to go to a local bike shop? Once again, my name's Scott, and I'm riding about 110 psi on my front tire and about 100 to 80 on my back tire. I ride no brakes. I don't like brakes at all. Comment if you think I should get a chrome back rim with orange spokes and put a black free coaster on it. Tell me if you think that's a good idea. And also, if you can send me the loudest freewheeler or cassette hub makes the loudest noise, you get a pair of Chromie dice caps for free, and you'll get Fit pedals, still mint condition, just dirty, and the Shadow Conspiracy stem. You could also, if you have the loudest, you can get a new chain, a backup chain if you ever break a chain, and then I have extra links for this. So let me know. Subscribe. There'll be more bike checks on eventually. Let me know how you like my editing, because I'm doing a brand new editing software tonight. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe. If you subscribe, I'll most likely subscribe back. So just let me know. Alright, bye.